Okay, this is a sample of a not taken care of CD. This is an Armageddon soundtrack, the album. And look at the case, it's a lot of cracks from front to back. That's why some people don't like physical CDs anymore, and they are using streaming and MP3s because of the appearance of this. Now I will show you how to make it like new again, even it's an old CD. Okay, look at this is an old CD, guys, and a little scratchy, but this CD still plays good. Okay, you only need to change the case, guys. So you need some extra case like this, and then resealable plastic. When you change the case, you need to change two of the materials you need. Okay, so you need to take out the cover, and then you need to take out this tray case. Just need to press this, and then the other one. And then it will take out like that. And then the back cover, and then this is the case that is not good, and a lot of cracks. Look at the cracks, not good to see. Now we will change it to a much good case. Then put this back cover, put the CD tray, and then this front cover. Now, so you will see the CD is much good to see now, and much clean to see. And then we will put the resealable plastic here. There. So you see the difference. This is much good and much cleaner, and that's how some old CD looks like new because of changing only case, guys. So this is now put on a trash. This is a reject case. Then it's the same like this when you put all the CDs, and much better to look. And look at that, it's much good. Now you know now the secret of preserving physical copies of music.